Hi friends, this is Ramya from Wild Turmeric. In this video, I wanted to share an amazing acne gel that is so effective in reducing the inflammation. It helps both prevent and treat acne breakouts greatly. Usually, store-bought acne gel contains ingredients like alpha hydroxy acid, which is effective in removing dead skin, benzoyl peroxide that helps kill bacteria and removes excess oil, salicylic acid, a powerful exfoliant that helps clear pores and reduces inflammation. But most of these ingredients does not agree with everyone. They might cause skin peeling, burning, crusting, itching, and in worst cases, swelling. What if there is a natural anti-acne gel that does not have all these side effects? In fact, there is, and you can make it easily at home. The only con about this homemade acne gel is it does not smell good. But considering how effective and natural it is, I don't mind the smell at all. The first ingredient we need for making the gel is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it very effective for treating acne. I still remember an incident that happened few years back. I was learning about essential oils and the uses, and one of my nephews had a severe acne breakout. I made him apply just a tiny bit of tea tree oil only on the spots using a cotton bud. The pain reduced considerably and the pimple dried up very quickly. But using straight tea tree oil in the skin should be done with great caution as it is very potent. I would suggest mixing it with other ingredients like in this recipe. It is still effective but much more safer. The second ingredient we need is neem oil. Neem oil is very effective in treating acne as it has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory and analgesic properties. We get cold-pressed neem oil in the markets and I would suggest using that. Neem oil stings badly and it is so very hard to use it on the face alone. It is best used mixed with other ingredients. When we mix it with other ingredients, the smell reduces a bit. The final ingredient we need is a base gel. The best is aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume. You can also use cucumber gel or even homemade cream as a base. If you're using store-bought creams, try not to use anti-acne creams as a base. For best results, I would suggest sticking to aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume. To make the cream, take a tablespoon of aloe vera gel that is free of color and perfume in a bowl. Add in a teaspoon of cold-pressed neem oil to it. Finally, add in 3 to 4 drops of tea tree essential oil. Now mix well with a spoon. At first, the mixture will be very lumpy, but as you keep mixing, it will form a smooth gel. Now transfer this gel to a bottle and store. This gel stores well for 2 weeks at room temperature. To use, take a little bit of the gel and apply on the spots. Sometimes, I get a pimple or two before my periods. I just apply this gel over it. It amazingly reduces the pain and swelling and treats it fairly quickly. One amazing thing about this gel is it prevents acne scarring greatly. When we apply this cream, the smell of neem oil will be very intense, but I promise, within a few minutes, it will lessen greatly. If you're interested, I have given links to all the research papers supporting these claims in the description box below. I hope you found this video useful. If you like to support me in this channel, please share this video with your friends. It'll mean a lot to me. If you like to get detailed information on herbs on days I don't post videos, press the notification button. Thank you for watching this video.